Top stories. Healthcare benefits CMHT relatively renders useless in Kaisamthong constituency, Imphal. "700 indigenous fruit-bearing tree saplings planted inside sacred Kangla. Chief Minister names a new orchard, Nura Haikol. And woman who went to take back debt mysteriously found dead. Hello and good evening, I'm ONEL Sambandhuram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Many families enjoy the Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang or CMHT in Manipur. Yet many residents of Kaisamthong Assembly constituency of Imphal, the home constituency of State Health Minister L. Jayantakumar, have been deprived of these benefits. Tom TV brings you an exclusive report on this.
Longzam Ronibala, aged 42 years, of Kaisamthong Longjam Lairak, is the youngest daughter of late L. Priyochand and late Longzam Ongbi Nabasaki. Ronibala has no one to take care of except her only brother, 46-year-old Longzam Ngobi, and sister-in-law Sanahanbi. Ronibala is diabetic since the past 15 years. In February this year, she was taken to the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal, after experiencing difficulty in breathing. There, the doctors diagnosed her condition as having heart attack. Due to poverty, her brother couldn't afford complete medical treatment for his sister's ailment. It was very hard for poor Ngobi to even burn the midnight oil with his very little earning through a private water supply business. On the other hand, the doctors advised Ngobi that if his little sister doesn't undergo a heart surgery within 1 month, her health will deteriorate. And for that purpose, the doctors informed him to make an arrangement of rupees 2 to 3 lakh as operation expenditure. Ronibala told Tom TV that while she was at RIMS, the CMHT card could be used only for generic medicines, not expensive ones. She added that around rupees 1,100 was spent daily in buying medicines alone. At times, they couldn't afford the medicines that were prescribed by doctors.
Hatki hidak sing hidi atang wa ngata ni na hidi hidak lai ba bu hidi Delhi gi sari ba hidak si bu saba ngam da bagi problem ama sa umam la hoje.
She sought help from the people, saying she wants to lead a normal life again.
Handak tiam ning senge hidi mamang dai se 2011 da su diabetes ki sugar amu wangak tana pabung dai hago kanga pabung ngam da gai na ki adui matam da ima sina ahing tum da gai ai bu nan ba ga sit ba ga dum sewa taw lai bi gi di puksel chawba ibung ipa isil inau sing duna hedi mateng khatang pang bi raga di aisu hedi khatang sang da na hingning ba gi aigi asa khara aigi vision khara miyoi ba amani na aduguma mayam do khatang phangning ba gi ana ba gi pal jidagi lanthong ninge aduna aduguma puksel chawba mayam duna aibu mateng pangbiraga di moibu hiding ai litan isorna su bor pe bigan he.
Ronibala's sister-in-law Sanahanbi has also been facing hardships since she got married, as her in-laws passed away early, and moreover she has to endure the sufferings of Ronibala. Sanahanbi, with tears, expressed her desire that Ronibala get proper medical treatment.
Akang mapuksin sa mo mayan isan kita magtabating pang bida na ko punsin ng jangan lay dana
Young girls and women get married once they attain maturity. But unfortunately, Ronibala's fate is different owing to her health condition. Her heart is beating in pain just for the sake of living.
Taking recently launched Chief Minister's Green Manipur mission forward, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today led a mass plantation drive inside sacred Kangla. Around 700 indigenous fruit-bearing tree saplings were planted in the drive organized by Kangla Board in association with Department of Art and Culture, Department of Forests and Directorate of Environment. The Chief Minister named the new orchard as Nura Haikol. The Chief Minister opined that Langol Forest and Kangla are often regarded as the lungs of Imphal city because main oxygen supply to the capital city is done by the trees growing in these two places. As such, the government has a plan to grow more and more trees and develop thick forests at these two places and other areas, he added. He informed that it was decided in a recent meeting of Kangla Board to plant 10,000 fruit-bearing tree saplings inside Kangla alone, he said, and added that he had advised the officials of Department of Horticulture and Department of Environment to plant the remaining saplings within a week.
Manipur ki laibiriba miyamna Green Manipur mission sida involved tawbiraga support tawbiraga environmentally Manipur si global warming da karida counter to the mating pangana hona minasi have pum khashi thamagai kuno puthagasi. Thank you.
The Chief Minister today also inspected the shops ravaged by the inferno at Mayang Imphal Bazaar last night. He was accompanied by Manipur Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker and Mayang Imphal Constituency MLA K. Robindro, DGP LM Khaute and other high-ranking officials of the state government. The Chief Minister interacted with the affected shop owners and assured all possible help to rehabilitate them. He also said that the government is willing to arrange quick loans for them as well. The Chief Minister also directed the officials concerned to assess the loss and prepare a list of affected persons. A woman who went to take back money she lent to a couple was found dead under mysterious circumstances at Thiam Konjin under Andro police station in Imphal East last night, according to a report. The deceased has been identified as Katrimayum Sumita, age 56 years, wife of KHS Deven of Brahmapur Bhagavati Laikai, Imphal East. The couple has been arrested by police in connection with the incident. The victim's family and a Joint Action Committee JAC, which has been formed to seek justice, have alleged foul play in the death of Sumita. It has been said that several deep-cut marks were found in her body. Sumita went missing after she left home around 3 p.m. yesterday to meet Laimayum Amubi Devi, wife of L. Indrajit of Brahmapur Thangapat Mapan, to whom she owed a sum of rupees 3 lakh. The couple borrowed about 3 years back. A public meeting was held at the ground of local club Yasu at Brahmapur Bhagavati Laikai, during which a JAC was formed. It was demanded that the authorities would bring all culprits to book quickly. Meanwhile, police have arrested Laishram Amubi and her husband over the incident, the report said. We're heading to a short break, but coming up more after the break, stay tuned.
Chakhumgi kolik singbu mafam chana taru tanana thamnabagidamak laizare nungzengi stainless steel na chanjaba modular kitchen loina na kitchen trolleys amadi makhal kayagi kitchen rack singsu nungzengi outlet store kaisampat laisom lerak machin mayai lambidagi fangbiragani hena kupamarol gidamak aikogi phone number 9077124214 da contact tawirao.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ
ꯂꯅꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕ
ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯋꯥꯇꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕ
ꯖꯤꯝ ꯑꯦꯔꯣꯕꯤꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯇꯥ
ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ 12 ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯔꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ
ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯥꯟꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨल
ꯂꯥꯁ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯣꯡ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯅꯣ
ꯁ꯭ꯂꯣꯞꯂꯦꯟ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ
Yes, only Slopeland Public School, Khongjom.
Welcome back. All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association today threatened to launch a serious form of agitation if the state government does not rectify the way of distributing fertilizers only to the farmers who possess legal land documents by June 30, 2019. They also said that such system is not a suitable practice since many farmers residing in the hill districts do not have any legal documents. At a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today, AMPFA President Soraisham Ratan Kumar ruled that the practice of taking fertilizers by MLAs and ministers on quota basis should be stopped.
Lagleba Kuki Zungi, Tarikuntra, Asiboki, Manungsida, Masigi Normasi, Karigumba, Hongdokta Targati, Zungi, Tarikuntra, Asipogi, Manunda, Lengaki Pirep, Patagi system Asi, Tunkoina Satnaba Yaruidabani, Aduna, Masi, Hantaki Oinadi, Lomi Miam da Punna, Panganba Yanabagi, Tankak Ama, Lauruk the Batargati, Ampana, Lomi Mianga, Pullaga, Ekoi Asoba, Hongsangama, Ekoi Sangjan Gani Hibasi, Nasigi electronics and print media gi, Matinga in a Nasi Apagi President Amoina, Pogdian Zari.
District Family Welfare Taubal, under the supervision of National Health Mission, organized a program to launch rotavirus vaccine (RVV) for children from 0 to 5 years to prevent from diarrhea at District Hospital Taubal today. Deputy Commissioner of Taubal, Haubam Rosita, CMO of District Hospital Taubal, Dr. N. Jayantakumar, and Medical Superintendent of District Hospital Taubal, Dr. C.H. Memcha, were present during the program. District Family Welfare Officer Taubal, Dr. K.H.S. Memcha, said that for the first time in Manipur, the facility is available at government health centers free of cost. As part of the ongoing health program for students under Department of Community Medicine REAMS, the Lion Club of Taubal, Greater Centurion and Leo Girls Club have jointly organized a free medical camp at Children's Home for Boys and girls at Taubal today. Altogether, 6 doctors from RIMS attended the camp where children aged from 5 to 15 years of the home were given free medical treatment along with free medicines. District Chairpersons of Lions District 322D Memcha Kundongbam, outgoing President of Lions Club of Taubal Greater Centurion Y. Indira, and the newly appointed President of the club L. Khelapati also attended the camp. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association today condemned the Manipur government for allegedly ignoring the Supreme Court's ruling asking the state to increase duty allowance and salary of Home Guards. They also sought a clear response from the State Chief Minister, who is also holding the home portfolio over this issue. The small amount of money meant for payment of duty allowance to the Home Guards have been misused by top officials, Association President Y. Mangi alleged during a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. He said the Home Department should remove all Home Guards from duty if the government is not satisfied with them.
Law the Muktai High, law Namuk, finance the Muktai, Adudong Tai Haidana, some delaying tactics to Ragasahi, Marie, Mangatam than some Tamba, Aranba, Heck, order a Matoxana Bohonaba, Aran Bakara Hek Bohonaba, Hanguragana Canado, Unabayarwe Haiba, Hangbam Zulitaba, Adagi Artiagi Kutanga, Sali Babaro Sarkana Same of RTI, Exiki Makada, Hanguragasu, Nium Sumna, Matamjana, Pazana, Pakum, Pibi the Basina, Sahi, Marie Mangase, Awabagi Matata, Awaba, Ole, Oire, Hene, Overlord Oire, Madam Honorable Chief Minister, Yare Hargan Yabagi Pibiro, Yaro Hargan Yaro, Hibagi, order to Tohan Biro, officials in the Matam Mangan Biraganu, Hypersikatani Inamayam, the Tamjanis.
New Incarnation Center IRCA Jiribam organized International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking at New Incarnation Office Auditorium Hall, Kalinagar, Jiribam today. Several dignitaries were present at the program. Chairperson of Jiribam Municipal Council S. Santi Devi said that family members must not hide substance abuses for the sake of the society. We must also try to eradicate drug peddlers.
Among Bani Haidana, Kandana, the Loli Basisu, a Ngai, Moida, Pavata, Jingidana, Raza Simbu, Amadi, a Hogola Viveza, Su Simbu. Manghandana is Hagi Mayokta Tamla, as well as he come I don't see about the Sangi Bano Hagasi, Jamna Iwakandan Lang.
Project Coordinator NIC Jiribam S. Jiten Singh said that drug abuse is one of the main issues of the society, with the state currently has about 50,000 drug users, and urged the concerned authority to formulate a policy to rehabilitate drug addicts.
Manipur da issue kharagi manung da hai tare koi Manipur gi da le rabni Manipur da tum ai thamjar ke yam ten tak na Manipur da issue kharagi manung da Nisha Chaba amasum Nishagi Polam Chingasi Lana business topa haibasi ekhoi miyoiba samasida yam so makes a trade amokoi haita.
Well, let's take another short break, but coming up next, a stray slow lorries Young Ikai TV was rescued in Moreh. More details after the break.
Vigyo Institute of Management and Information Technology, affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. BBA amadi BCA gi oina chahi ahumgi dual certification courses 2019-20 gi damak admission hauzare. Coursing asi tambada DCA, Triple CA amadi Tally gi short term course ama lemna tambagi khudong chabasu pisari. BBA amadi BCA gi oina lakliba July thadagi class hauzaragani. Adai khudong chabasingdi state of art infrastructure, well-furnished and equipped classrooms, qualified and well-experienced faculties, visiting faculty from industry and academia, placement cell, computer lab with internet facilities, library, canteen, conference hall and playground. Akaknaba seat masingni amadi hostel gi facility su pizari. Prospectors amadi form gidamak lengsin birau Vimit Sangai Prau FCI Road opposite MSPDCL office Imphal West. Akupa marol gidama contact tawirau 700-561-3687 natraga 700-5845-205. Ekogi website www.vimitimphal.com. Email vimitimphal@gmail.com.
Smart Universal Academy da class 9 tamlibi mahiroi Elangbam Reshma Devina Indian Space Research Organization as sponsored taukiba Sri Harikota amasung Nesak Shillong da pangthokiba Young Scientist Program da mahakna group leader oiba group aduna identification of water by satellite imaging haiba project asina second position tarakpada school management teaching and non-teaching staff Smart Universal Academy na nungaiba amasung apenba phongdokchen.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manung da masagi hospital leizaraba Medical College ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing da admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khuding stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat 15 khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara, phone number 600-90-62261 natraga 87-940-26277. Welcome back. A stray slow lorries Young Ikai TB was rescued inside the Moreh Commando complex last night. Moreh Commando officer in charge K. Ibungo spotted the slow lorries being fallen from a tree inside the complex. He took it to his quarter and later handed over to officials of Forest Department Moreh. The Joint Students Coordination Committee of MSU, MSF, SUK and KSA have conducted a drive against selling of intoxicants within 100 meters perimeter of Ibotonsana Higher Secondary School Heritage Convent Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School today. President of MSF Kakching District, Sundar Kuman said JSCC volunteers seized tobacco products from shops and vendors. He further said that they will continue the anti-substance drive.
Nisagi polam sing asi aikoina pungmun muthatpa ngamani haibadi nachade kharama khaido arabasu hanthaba ngamgadra khanduna joint student coordination committee na hairiba aikoigi campaign asi chathabani aduga aikoigi campaign je megi de 20 dagi horaga drive asi chathakhoni aduga makha taba kaya dasu aikoigi campaign asi makha tana adum chathajagi gene habsu.
In order to curb ever-increasing rate in substance abuse and selling of other intoxicants in several localities of Lilong like Haitroi Pokpi, Changamdabi, Mathak, Malom, Jalyanbi and Mayai Kaitel of the Malom Jalyanbi Youth, Haitroi Pokpi Eastern Star Union, Changamdabi, Mohammedal Club and Rural Area Development Organization have decided to ban all kinds of substance abuse and selling of intoxicants in these places. This was informed by General Secretary of MJYC, MK Aslam Ahmed during the press meet at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal today.
अखोगी छात्र प्रमाणी क्लास 7-8 कारिबा अखोगी अंगांग फावदा निसासिदा तौरकपा अदगी हुरान चिंथी हेंगलकपा मसुगुंबसी अखोई लेकाइदुदा थोलकपदगी हारिबा अखोगी क्लब मरी असिना पुंजनजरगा अपुनबा जॉइंट कमिटी अमा सेमजरगा हारिबा निसासी मतम चुप्पगी ओइना अखोगी हारिबा लेकाइ मरी असिदा मतम चुप्पगी ओइना थिंगजलसी हाइदना वारेप लौरबा मतुंगदा अखोई सिगे खोंथांग असि
Catholic School Students Transporters Welfare Union has informed parents and guardians of Catholic School Kanchipur to not send their children to schools on school vans which are run without proper yellow stickers, since these vans are not related to the union, according to a press release of the union. US Secretary of State Michael Pompeo has arrived in India fresh from the last-minute trip to the Gulf, aimed at building a global coalition against Iran to tackle a different tricky subject, which is trade. He is seeking to strengthen ties in the Indo-Pacific region where America's key economical rival China is expanding to reach, but Pompeo and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will confront significant foreign policy challenges, from retaliatory tariffs to New Delhi's plan to purchase the S-400 air defense system from Russia. The visit, the first high-level engagement since Prime Minister Modi's sweeping mandate in last month's election, comes ahead of a meeting between President Donald Trump and Prime Minister Modi on the sidelines of the Group of 20 summit in Japan later this week. India raised tariffs on as many as 28 products including almonds and walnuts on June 16 in response to higher duties imposed by the US on products including steel and aluminum after the Trump administration on June 1st ended trade concession on $6.3 billion of Indian goods.
राष्ट्रपति जी का गहरा अध्ययन है और मुझे खुशी है कि जब 2014 में, जबकि वो राष्ट्रपति के चुनाव के मैदान में भी नहीं थे, तब जब भारत आए थे और उस समय उन्होंने भारत में मीडिया ने मेरे विषय में जब पूछा और इतनी उम्दा बातें कही थी, वो मेरे जीवन में बहुत यादगार रहेगी और मैं इसके लिए उनका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ.
Now let's have a quick look at the newspaper headlines.
The Songhai Express. Studies warn of major earthquake in state. Due to imposition of ILP, BJP leader seeks protection for non-Nagas in Dimapur. 4 killed as truck plunges into gorge. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister keen to develop Behyang as second route to Southeast Asia. Central leaders likely to intervene if political crisis in state lingers. Cookie bodies rally in support of political dialogue. AMSU volunteers bar admission counseling at the University. Imphal Free Press. Chief Minister inaugurates Behyang Police Station. CPI State Unit reaffirms its stance against alleged government inefficiency. The Morning Bell. Chief Minister Viren inaugurates Behyang Police Station. The station will help control influx of illegal immigrants through the border, says Chief Minister. Arunachal ambush. NSCN-IM allegedly threatened NPP workers in trap call under NIA scanner. Lok Sabha election 2019. BJP won through money power while NPF won using muscle power, says CPI. Evovi was 10% government but Biren is 20% government, says party. AN-32 to continue flying in mountains, says IAF chief. 4 dead, 4 injured in road accident.
And before we wind up the top stories once again. Healthcare benefit CMHT relatively renders useless in Kasamthong constituency, Imphal. $700 indigenous fruit-bearing tree saplings planted inside sacred Kangla. Chief Minister names a new orchard, Nura Haikol. And woman who went to take back debt mysteriously found dead. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.